नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू है हमारे पास 103 प्रॉपर पोजीशनिंग ऑफ अफेक्टेड एरिया इज एसेंशियल फॉर पेशेंट विद बर्न प्रॉपर पोजीशनिंग शुड बी मेंटेन तो प्रॉपर पोजीशन हम कितने वक्त के लिए मेंटेन करते हैं कंसिस्टेंटली थ्रू आउट द डे क्वेश्चन नंबर 104 a patient with a transfemoral amputation began gait training with prosthesis what effect will a hip flexion contracture have to the patient gait तो हिप फ्लेक्शन कंट्रैक्चर की जो है अगर उसकी होंगे तो उससे गेट पे क्या असर होगा जो पेशेंट स्टेप लेंथ है ऑन द प्रोस्थेटिक साइड विल बी इंक्रीज क्वेश्चन नंबर 105 a physical therapist examine a patient with suspected acutely torn medial meniscus which symptom is not commonly associated with the medial meniscal tear तो इसमें हमारे पास जो आंसर है वो हैमस्ट्रिंग एट्रोफी का है ये जो है वो कॉमनली एसोसिएटेड नहीं होता ये सिम्टम देन है 106 अ फिजिकल थेरेपिस्ट treat a 32-year-old female diagnosed with the thoracic outlet syndrome. While exercising, the patient began to complain of feeling lightheadedness and dizzy. The therapist immediately pushed the patient to nearby chair and began to monitor her vital sign. The therapist measured the patient respiration rate as 10 breath per minute, pulse rate is 45 beat per minute, and blood pressure of 115 over 85 mmHg. Which of the following statement is most accurate? तो इसमें accurate statement क्या है? Pulse rate and the respiratory rate are below the normal value level. Question number 107. In designing a wheelchair for the patient with a bilateral transfemoral amputation, the axle शुड बी मूव इन व्हाट डायरेक्शन तो उसको हम बैक जो है वो 2 इंच बैकवर्ड जो है वो मूव करवाते हैं देन है 108 which aquatic exercise would be most effective in reducing tone in patient with a spinal cord injury तो spinal cord injury के लिए के पेशेंट को हम कौन सी एक्सरसाइज देते हैं स्लो पैसिव मूवमेंट ऑफ नेक एंड अपर एक्सट्रीमिटी देते हैं with the patient floating in spine question number 109 the therapist prepare to treat a patient in isolation by donning a mask which of the following solution category would require only the use of mask the answer is respiratory insulation question number 110 a 14-year-old girl present with a 25-degree left thoracic cyclotic curve all of the following appropriate immediate form of ट्रीटमेंट एक्सेप्ट तो क्वेश्चन जो है इसका आंसर है सर्जिकल इंटरवेंशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 111 a therapist examine a patient refer to the physical therapy diagnosis with the biceptal tendinitis which of the following special test would be the most useful to confirm the patient diagnosis तो ये हमारे पास है जेगरसन टेस्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 112 when wrapping the residual limb of the patient with the transfemoral amputation a therapist should adhere all of the following except तो जो इसका आंसर है द बैंडेज शुड प्रोवाइड इंक्रीज्ड प्रेशर प्रॉक्सिमली तो ये जो है वो नहीं होना चाहिए Next, which surgical techniques is commonly performed on a shoulder to repair a deficit in a glenoid labrum? तो वो हमारे पास commonly जो होता है वो है Bankart. Then है question number 114. The physical therapist assists a patient with a C7 tetraplegia into a prone on elbow position on a mat. The therapist instructs the patient to push his elbow down, tuck his chin and lift the trunk off of the mat while rounding out the shoulder. This exercise is helpful in strengthening of serratus anterior and scapular muscles. Question number 115. A physical therapist instruct a 67-year-old female 4 weeks status post total hip replacement in the home exercise program, which exercise prescription would be inappropriate for the patient? तो उसके लिए जो है inappropriate treatment क्या होगी, वो lie on your involved side and lift the uninvolved leg toward the ceiling. ठीक है. Question number 116. A 16-year-old baseball player is anxious to return the athletic competition following rehabilitation from an Achilles tendon rupture. The athlete is objectively ready to return to the competition, however, continue to demonstrate a severe preoccupational with re-injury. The most appropriate response is the क्या होगा response? The हम answer is इसका है design a functional progression for baseball which allow the patient to progress a higher level of activity in a gradual fashion. Question number 117. A patient is referred to the physical therapy for sustaining a fracture. A fracture referred to the injury of dash. तो radial जो bonus की injury है, fracture होता है. Question number 118. A physical therapist treat a patient with incomplete L4 paraplegia. The therapist used proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation techniques to strengthen the abdominals and improve trunk stability in sitting. The most appropriate techniques to improve strength and control include. तो उसके लिए हम जो आंसर है alternate isometrics and timing for emphasis in sitting. Question number 119. A patient 2 week status post transtibial amputation is instructed by his physician to remain at rest for 2 days after contracting bronchitis. The most appropriate position for the patient in the bed. तो उसके लिए spine position effective है और with leg extended. Question number 120. A 21-year-old male suffer a primary dislocation of right shoulder playing football. The athlete is referred to the physiotherapist after 3 weeks of immobilization. A physical therapist might elect to begin treatment with all of the following except. तो को सारी ट्रीटमेंट देगा लेकिन कौन सी नहीं देगा, हाई स्पीड आइसोकाइनेटिक एक्सरसाइज नहीं देगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 121. अ पेशेंट विद द C3 स्पाइनल कार्ड इंजरी is positioned in spine. Which area is most susceptible to pressure in this position? तो जो सस्पेक्टेबल प्रेशर जिसमें आ रहा होता है वो है सैक्रम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 122. द पेशेंट the therapist identify the excessive femoral neck anteversion during examination of the patient diagnosed with the trochanteric bursitis. The structural finding commonly in result in answer है increase in hip medial rotation. Question number 123. The most common question number 23. The most common mechanism of anterior talofibral ligament sprain. तो टेलोफिब्रल लिगामेंट का एंटीरियर टेलोफिब्रल लिगामेंट के स्प्रेन की जो मैकेनिज्म है वो है इनवर्जन इन द प्लांटर फ्लेक्शन. Question number 124. A patient is referred to the physical therapy diagnosed with the right hip trochanteric bursitis. Which clinical finding is usually not associated with the trochanteric bursitis? तो इसमें जो नहीं है वो हमारे पास क्या है, giant play motion are limited in a capsular pattern. ये नहीं है, उसके अलावा हो रही. Then a question number 125. The patient status post large rotator cuff repair surgery is referred to the physiotherapy. Which of the following motion would you initially expect to be the most restricted? तो कौन सी होगी, lateral rotation. Question number 126. A physical therapist perform a passive range of motion to the patient with the C7 tetraplegia. The patient bilateral S straight leg rise is measured passively to 90 degree. What the physical therapist conclude about the patient ability to perform activity of daily living. तो क्या है इसका आंसर होगा द पेशेंट रिक्वायर्ड straight leg rise of 110 to 120 degree in order to perform long sit and activity of daily living. Question number 127. A patient with the 1 week status post left total hip replacement is diagnosed with the acute deep venous thrombosis in left calf. The physical therapist role in the care of deep venous thrombosis is. तो वो क्या करेगा पेशेंट इज ऑन द बेड रेस्ट विद नो एक्टिव थेरेपी टू द लेफ्ट लेग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 126. To calculate the percentage of total burn surface area according to the rule of 9, the left lower extremity is given weightage for 18%. Answer है. The question number 1 to 9. 15-year-old boy has pain over the tibial tubercle and clinically very prominent. The pain has been for 4 months with no history of injury and systemic illness. He is most probable has क्या होगा उसको Osgood-Schlatter disease. Question number 130. The carpal tunnel located on the volar aspect of the wrist contain 9 tendon in the median nerve. Question number 131. A patient with a full thickness burn receive a skin graft immediate after the procedure of graft site required. Temporary immobilization required होगी. Question number 132. The patient with the history of rheumatoid arthritis is referred to the physical therapy diagnosis with acute glenohumeral joint pain. Which treatment technique would be inappropriate for the patient? तो इसमें कौन सी ट्रीटमेंट इनअप्रोप्रिएट है? वो क्या ग्रेड 3 एंड ग्रेड 4 मोबिलाइजेशन जो है इनअप्रोप्रिएट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 133. A patient diagnosed with the incomplete spinal cord lesion that present with the muscle paralysis on the ipsilateral side of the lesion and the loss of pain, temperature, sensitivity on the contralateral side of lesion. तो ये कौन सा होगा वो ये होता है हमारे पास बोन स्क्वाट सिंड्रोम. Question number 134. The physical therapist initially priority for an acute burn patient. तो इनिशियल प्रायोरिटी क्या होगी फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट की कि वो करेक्ट पोजीशनिंग ऑफ द बर्न एंड अनअफेक्टेड बॉडी पार्ट्स की जो करेक्ट पोजीशनिंग करे बर्न की और अनअफेक्टेड पार्ट की. अच्छा. Question number 135. The tendon of dash muscle is commonly compressed against the bottom of acromion process in the patient diagnosed with the impingement syndrome. तो कौन सा मसल होगा supraspinatus. Question number 136. The bed positioning is important for patient with a status post amputation. The prone position and prone lying is recommended for 30 minutes several times a day. This position is a particular important for dash amputation, transfemoral amputation. Question number 137. A physical therapist observed the patient with the transfemoral amputation during the gait training. The therapist identify a marked lateral rotation of prosthetic at the heel strike. Which of the following would not be contributing factor of the patient गेट डेविएशन? इनमें कौन कौन से फैक्टर जो है ये करवा रहे होते हैं कौन सा नहीं है? तो हमारे पास जो फैक्टर कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहा वो है प्रोस्थेसिस इज टू शॉर्ट. Question number 138. A physical therapist is concerned with the patient lateral knee discomfort. The therapist attempt to determine if that contracture tensor fasciolata or iliotibial band could be contributing the patient symptom. Which special test might help to identify a restriction in this area? तो वो कौन सा टेस्ट हम यूज करते हैं इसके लिए? ओबर टेस्ट. Question number 139. A physical therapist instruct the patient diagnosed with the rotator cuff tendinitis in transverse plane resisted exercises. Which motion would be appropriate based on the given information? तो कौन सी होंगी वो medial and lateral rotation होंगी. Question number 140. A therapist hypothesized that the patient persistent shoulder pain is caused by an injury to a specific upper extremity muscle. What selective tissue lesion assessment will provide the therapist with the most useful information to the test the hypothesis? तो इसमें हमारे पास क्या करेगा वो resisted isometrics करवाएगा. Question number 141. The therapist attempt to gain information on the ligamentous integrity of the knee Which of the following special test would not provide the therapist with the desired information? तो इसमें सारे होंगे बट एक जो है apprehension test वो नहीं देता information. Question number 142. A therapist modify a wheelchair to allow a rear wheel to be moved backward by approximately 2 inch. This type of modification would be most beneficial to the patient with bilateral lower extremity amputation. Question number 143. A therapist performed a Taylor test on a 22-year-old female rehabilitating from an inversion in ankle sprain. Which ligament does the Taylor till test examination? Answer is calcaneofibular ligament. Question number 144. What is the first functional task that should be taught to the patient with the T2 spinal cord injury? Answer is rolling, जो हम देते हैं पहले. Question number 145. A patient rehabilitating from the knee surgery is examined in a physical therapy. The patient involved knee range of motion begin at 15 degree of flexion and end at 90 degree of flexion. The total available range of motion of this patient is dash degree. तो वो हमारे पास होती है 75 degree. Question number 146. The patient is able to actively hyperextend the right knee 5 degree. Assume the patient's total knee range of motion is 65 degree. Which of the following recording would be most representative of the patient actual range of motion? तो क्या होगा 5 डिग्री एक्सटेंशन 0 फिर 60 डिग्री फ्लेक्शन. तो ये हमारे पास आंसर है. Question number 147. A therapist instruct a patient to diagnose with a rotator cuff tendinitis in a home exercise program. The most important consideration when designing a home exercise program is हम क्या है आंसर? Focus the program on the individual need of the patient. Question number 148. A patient rehabilitating from the spinal cord injury work on a self real range of motion activity in sitting. Suddenly, patient began to demonstrate a sign and symptom of autonomic dysreflexia. The most appropriate therapist action is क्या होगा? Keep the patient in sitting, monitoring the blood pressure, and check the bowel and bladder impairment. Question number 149. The therapist palpate proximally along the second metacarpal. Which carpal does not articulate with the second metacarpal? जो second carpal के साथ नहीं articulate करी वो कौन सी है? वो हमारे पास hemate है. Question number 50. A therapist palpate a proximal row of the carpal in the patient diagnosed with the carpal tunnel syndrome. Which of the following bone do not articulate with the proximal row of the carpal? तो proximal row of carpal से कौन सी नहीं कर रही होती? वो है हमारे पास ulnar nerve. Then a question number 151. The therapist develop a physical therapy problem list after computing an initial examination on a patient diagnosed with a right shoulder impingement. Which of the following entries would not be typically belong to the physical therapy problem list? तो इनमें से कौन सी जो है फिजियोथेरेपी प्रॉब्लम लिस्ट में नहीं होगी? इंक्रीज्ड स्ट्रेस सेकेंडरी टू फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम. Question number 152. Which clinical observation is not usually characteristic with the rotator cuff tear? तो ये होगा the patient is less than 40-year-old. Question number 153. Earliest sign of Walkman ischemic contracture is pain. Question number 154. Claw hand is seen in ulnar nerve injury. Question number 155. Nerve abscess is seen in dash nerve in ulnar nerve. Question number 156. Tardy nerve injury palsy is due to cubitus valgus injury की वजह से. ठीक है की वजह से. Then a myositis ossification is commonly seen in dash joint in elbow joint में है. 158. Dupuytren contracture is all of above. इसमें क्या होता है? Thickening of the palm of fascia, base of little finger involvus seen in the cirrhotics or seen in the epileptic and hydration. Question number 159. Calcification of menisci is seen in pseudogout. Question number 160. A clubfoot is in a newborn is treated by manipulation by mother. Question number 161. Diabetic ulnar nerve palsy is not seen in डिसलोकेशन ऑफ एल्बो में नहीं सीन होती, फ्रैक्चर स्केफाइड में नहीं होती. ठीक है. कॉमनेस्ट कॉज ऑफ रिस्ट ड्रॉप इज dislocation of the elbow. Question number 163. Distance from the elbow to forearm amputation is dash inch, 7 inch. Question number 164. Distance from the acromion in arm amputation is 8 inch. Question number 165. Distance from the tip of greater trochanter to the thigh amputation is 11 inch. Question number 166. The distance from the knee joint in below knee amputation is 5.5 inch. The musculoskeletal abnormality in the neurofibromatosis is hypertrophy of limb, pseudoarthrosis और इसके साथ क्या है sclerosis. ठीक है. अच्छा, next है 168. Commonest cause of the paraplegia is trauma. Myositis ossification is commonly seen around the elbow joint. Treatment of congenital talipes equinovarus is should begin with soon after the birth. Question number 171. Soft tissue classification around the knee joint is seen in pseudogout. In de syndrome, which of the following tendon are inflamed? तो होते हैं कौन से extensor pollicis brevis and abductor pollicis longus. The commonest site of myositis ossification traumatica is brachialis. Pseudogout feature include involvement of the large joint and calcium prophosphate crystal. Question number 175. The mallet finger result from the injury to extensor tendon of the terminal phalanges of finger. Question number 176. Painful hip in childhood and avascular necrosis of the femoral head is answer. Parsis disease is a characteristic of painful hip in childhood and avascular necrosis of femoral head. Question number 177. Green stick fracture generally occur in children. Question 178. Most important pathology of clubfoot is congenital talonavicular dislocation. Question number 179. The most important sign of welcoming ischemic contracture is obliteration of radial pus. Question number 180. Painful arc syndrome is due to all of above. Chronic supraspinatus tendinitis, subacromial bursitis, fracture of greater tubercle. इन सब की वजह से होता है. Question number 181. Which of the following characteristic feature of the Charcot joint? इसमें क्या होता है? Painless swollen hypermobile joint होता है. Question number 182. Which of the following crystal is present in gouty arthritis? Monosodium urate dihydrate. Question number 183. The commonest deformity at a hip in post-polio residual paralysis is flexion abduction deformity. Question number 184. McMurray test is most frequently positive in which of the following? Torn semilunar cartilage. Medial semilunar cartilage. Medial semilunar cartilage होगी तो उसमें ये हमारे पास positive. Question number 185. A young adult sustained a closed fracture of the both bone of the right leg in a scooter accident. He was treated by the close reduction and above knee plaster cast for the 3 months. His fracture united, but on a removal of the plaster, his knee has stiff, and the treatment of choice to regain the knee movement is continuous passive motion. Question number 186. Meniscal classification is feature of pseudo. Calcification is a feature of pseudogout. Question number 187. Recurrent clubfoot is due to failure of development of dash tendocalcaneus. Question number 188. The early feature of paraplegia is flexor spasm. Question number 189. Maximum weight used for the skin traction is 5 kg. 190. K wire is used in all of heavy. Sacrilege prior to plotting fixing the forearm bone. और प्लेटिंग से पहले फोरआर्म को फिक्सेशन से के लिए. नेक्स्ट स्टेप 191. Triangular relation of elbow is supracondylar fracture. 192. Treatment of acute myositis ossification is immobilization. Question number 93. The tibial nerve palsy is seen in lateral humeral condyle fracture. Question number 194. Anterior dislocation of the shoulder cause all except. इसमें जो है ये सारी होती हैं लेकिन हिप बोन फ्रैक्चर नहीं होता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 195. टेंडरबर्ग साइन इज नॉट सीन इन डैश. इन सब में होता है, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस आर्थराइटिस में एंड रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस टॉन स्मिथ में, बल्कि ये किस में नहीं होता, पोस्टीरियर डिस्लोकेशन ऑफ हिप में नहीं होता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 196. इन्फेक्शन इन रिंग फिंगर इन एक्यूट टेनोसाइनोवाइटिस is most likely to spread to palmar space. 197. Medial meniscal tear is more common than that of lateral meniscal tear because it decrease mobility. इसलिए टीयर ज़्यादा होता है. Question number 198. The total claw hand is caused by the injury of ulnar and medial nerve. दोनों की वजह से. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 199. द मोस्ट कॉमन काज ऑफ स्क्लेरोसिस इन चिल्ड्रन इज पोस्ट poliomyelitis. Question number 200. Peripheral nerve can withstand ischemia up to 1 hour. Question number 201. Most common cause of neuropathic giant is diabetes. Question number 202. In newborn child, abduction and internal rotation produce a click sound is known as autorollant sign. Question number 203. Glove foot seen in 15-year-old could be treated successfully by triple orthodesis. Question number 204. Trigger finger is most likely associated with diabetes. Question number 205. Pointing index is due to median nerve injury. 206. Radial nerve injury is a type recovered with conservative management neuropraxia. 207. Convex foot arch is seen in congenital vertical talus. Question number 208. In correction of club foot by manipulation, which deformity should be corrected first? Forefoot adduction. Question number 209. Stiffness in the knee is maximum when traction is at skin. Question number 210. The variant triangle is useful diagnosis for the following except. ये सब के लिए डायग्नोसिस होते हैं, जैसे सुपरकंडाइल शॉर्टनिंग के लिए भी देखते हैं, इंटीरियर पोस्टीरियर डिसलोकेशन के लिए, लेकिन ये किसके लिए नहीं डायग्नोस यूजफुल होता, वो होता है हमारे पास इंट्राकॉन्डाइलेंट्रिक शॉर्टनिंग के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 211. पैथोजेनोमिक साइन ऑफ ट्रोमैटिक फ्रैक्चर इज क्रिप्टस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 212. The most common mode of metastasis in osteogenic sarcoma is hematogenesis. Question number 213. Commonest deformity in congenital dislocation of hip is angle of torsion. Question 214. All are seen in osteogenesis imperfecta except. सब चीजें होती हैं बट ये नहीं होता, जॉइंट डिसलोकेशन नहीं होती. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 115. डैशबोर्ड इंजरी cause posterior dislocation of the hip joint. Question 216. Carrying angle is decreased in coitus varus. A treatment in early stage of myositis ossification is immobilization. 2018, the most common complaint of colloid fracture is stiffness of finger. Question 2219, most common complication of clavicle fracture is stiffness of shoulder. Question number 220, most common bone fracture during birth is clavicle. Question number 221, a child with upper leg swelling with the pulmonary nodule, most probable diagnosis is osteosarcoma. Question number 2222, the 222 is calcium content of the bone is increasing. Estrogen supplement in postmenopausal women. Question 2223, uh, bone dysplasia is due to faulty development. 224, question, adventitious bursa is due to degeneration of the connective tissue overlying a joint. Question number 225, Walkman ischemic contracture of the muscle commonly involving flexor digitorum profundus muscle. Question 226, which of the portion of immobilization in fracture of both bone of forearm in adult male is mid-prone position? Question number 227, common injury to the baby is fracture of clavicle. 228, most common injury to the undergo dislocation is shoulder. 229, a football player while playing twist his knee over the ankle. He still continued to play. After 2 days, he noticed painful swelling of knee joint. The diagnosis is anterior cruciate ligament tear. Question number 230. A 3-year-old child fall from 2-meter height. On X-ray, no abnormality of lower leg seen. After 2 years, child present with the calcaneal valgus. Probable cause is avascular necrosis of the talus. Question number 231. A patient with the recurrent dislocation of the shoulder present to the hospital. The doctor tried to abduct his arm and to extend the elbow and externally rotation, but the patient doesn't allow to do so. This test is called apprehension. Question number 232. If the greater tuberosity of the humerus is lost, which of the following movement will be affected? तो क्या होगा? Abduction and lateral rotation. Question 233. A lady present with the history of fracture radius, which was put on a plaster of Paris cast for 4 weeks. After that, she developed a swelling of hand with shiny skin. What is most likely diagnosis? The answer is reflex sympathetic dystrophy. Question number 234. All are related to the recurrent shoulder dislocation except. इनमें सारे जो हैं वो रिलेटेड हैं बट लेक्स कैप्सूल जो है वो नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 235. बेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक प्रोसीजर ऑफ ACL injuries Leishman test. Question number 236. Springle shoulder is due to deformity of scapula. Question number 237. Stress fracture is most common in clavicle. Question number 238. Which one of the following structure is at least risk of damage in knee dislocation is common peroneal nerve. Question number 239. Which one of the following is not a radiological feature of osteoarthritis? क्या है? Widening of the joint space. Question number 240. Which pain is improved with exercise? Ankylosing spondylitis pain is improved. Question number 241. The adult sustained fracture of both bone of mid forearm at the same level. After manipulation, the position of immobilization of forearm in the plaster would be mid-prone position. Question number 242. Rheumatoid arthritis can cause many symptoms in later stage. Which of the following symptoms would most likely to be common in patients who had rheumatoid arthritis for a long period of time? Ulnar deviation of the finger. Question number 243. You are treating patient who is complaining of right shoulder pain. The patient has been diagnosed with a frozen adhesive capsulated shoulder. Which of the following would describe the capsular pattern of the glenohumeral joint? तो क्या होता है? एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन, एबिडक्शन है, इंटरनल रोटेशन ले. Question number 144. The hip musculature involve the several muscle group in different action. Hip abduction take place with nerve innervation from the posterior gluteal nerve. Which muscle compose the hip abductor group? Gluteus medius, minimus, tensor fascia, lata. Question number 245. Which is not a function of patella? Answer is क्या function नहीं होता? Increase the stride length. Question number 246. Outer test is done in congenital dislocation of hip joint.